Glacio 12 volt fridge a couple of weeks ago. Brought it up here on the block and plugged it into our 12 volt system. So it's just running on two 50 amp hour, well, I think they're 90 amp hour actually, car batteries. So probably 100 amp hour all up. And it's a 65 litre fridge. All the essentials. Just need to see if the temperature's good. So I've got it set to level 5. That is perfect. Icy cold. It's frozen the ice up nicely, so. And the Victron controller, I'll just give you a quick look at what it's been doing. So when the compressor's not on, it basically runs at about 4 watts. If you have a look at the history, it's only taking 4 hours a day, and they've been cloudy days too, so 4 hours in bulk mode, 1 in absorption, and 3 the rest in float mode. So this day didn't take as long. 4 hours, must have been a bit sunnier. Anyway, 6 hours that day. I think we've got about 14 hours of sunlight at the moment coming into summer. So I've just had the door open, put in tonight's dinner. Gonna have a nice lamb cook up in the slow cooker. Whack that on the fire, and a bit of lamb, bit of sausage, some veg. Should be delicious. And now the compressor's going. We've got it using 40 watts, thereabouts. So not massive. I think my big one at home on my system uses 140, so I guess it's probably 10 times this size, so there you go. So that's the Glacio fridge, about $398 on eBay. Seems to be doing alright. I'll let you know if it plays up or anything, but up to now, 2 weeks in, looking good.